Okay, welcome to this live session. We have been off for quite a while. Okay, we have been away from the chat for some time now. Today is Friday and another day for the non-farm payroll. Of course, that will be coming out from the American dollar axis and the Canadian dollar axis. So it is just 5 minutes to that news announcement. We've gone through the charts. Nothing really to post to place a pending order aside from that of the American dollar again. Okay, I know something with the stream quality. All right, so placing an order, we have two heavyweight news announcements coming out from both currencies. Might be problematic. Okay, it might be problematic, so we will avoid that. Otherwise, it looks valid to place a sell stop order in that pair. All right, let's move on. Let's see. Okay, euro against the American dollar. All right, we may need to trade the reaction itself. Just 2 minutes to that news announcement. Okay, nothing to place any order, so you need to relax, wait for price reaction. American dollar against Japanese yen. I'm also expecting this pair to go down, but with the news, anything can happen. Just 1 more minute to that news announcement. This Canadian dollar, yeah. Looks like an expanding triangle coming. Maybe that and that. Looks like an expanding triangle. Lots of market confusion. It's almost time for the news. No blind entries. Just give me a minute on this, please. Okay. It's a bad one for the American dollar and a good one for the Canadian dollar. Really bad for the American dollar, so that would have driven price down on the American dollar against the Canadian dollar. That pair should be going down. Let's see that. Ah, you can see price just pushing down. Actually, we would have gotten involved here, but okay. Well, anyway, it would have been the other way around. It's good to just avoid it whenever okay. It's really bad for the American dollar. It's a good one for the Canadian dollar. So Canadian dollar should gain strength. Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar should be pushing down. Yeah. Nice push here. I guess we missed the American dollar against the Canadian dollar trade there. But for a just cause, for a good reason. So there is no need to worry about that. Just let it go. Okay. While we are still watching the pairs, we are very likely going to be finding some valid trading opportunities once the market digests the news outcome. But you have to bear in mind that the news outcome is bad for the American dollar and it's good for the Canadian dollar. So for the euro against the American dollar, we should be looking for buy entries. But we as well will not trade out of the news trading approach. Okay. All right, this might be a trade for next week. Watch that. Let's keep our eyes on this one here. The American dollar against the Japanese yen is the directional bias in the long term is still to the downside. I will not be buying this pair. I should be looking for opportunities to go short, but not interesting there yet. Euro against the Canadian dollar. Okay. American dollar against Canadian dollar just bounced off that area. I think we'll see more downside by next week. Not seeing much of impact. Okay, Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. This is really moving. This is something we need to pay attention. Yeah, because a key level. This is going to be on our watch list. Gold still up. Right. Okay, the only entry I would have taken right now is the American dollar against the Canadian dollar, but unfortunately we avoided that for a good reason. It's a nice fall there. All right, let's just be patient. Wait for. I think just we are seeing that momentum, much momentum in the Canadian dollar crosses the American dollar. Pairs are just still hanging there. All right, let's still be patient. Watch the market again for another 2 hours. Hopefully, we are going to find some pullbacks, possibly something to trade. Don't take blind entries. Let's just watch. If we find something, of course, we are going to send it through the Telegram channel, so you can also see what we are trading. Thanks for being here. Do enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.